Everybody just calm down.
Well, good morning, my little friends. How are y'all doing today? Are y'all ready for story time? Yay! Welcome to Pictures with Mr. Billy. We're gonna have an Busy, I was gonna introduce you. Everyone say, hello, Busy.
Hello,
I know, Busy. Guess what our buzzword of the day is? It's dream. Can we say dream? Dream. Good job. Hold up. Guess what? We're gonna do a shape of the day. Our shape is star. Can you say star? Star. Good job. Hold up. For our colors, guess what we're gonna do? You're gonna mix some red with some yellow, mix it together, and you get orange. Our number of the day is the number 4, but we're gonna say it in Spanish as well. Everyone say cuatro. So count with Mr. Billy. Here we go. 1, uno, 2, dos, 3, tres, 4, cuatro! Yeah! Our first song of the day is With My Little Hands. Everyone hold their hands up like this. With my little hands, I go clap, clap, clap. With my little feet, I go tap, tap, tap. With my little arms away, bye, bye, bye. With my little legs, I kick, ha, ha, ha. With my little eyes, I go peek-a-boo. With my little mouth, I go, I love you. Good job. You know what, Busy? I had a dream about you the other night that Busy was a doctor. Whoa! Busy, you look real cool, man. The Busy doctor. Guess what, man? I also had a dream about Busy being a fireman! Busy, let me see. Whoa! Y'all see Busy? He got drip for sale! Good job! Our first story of the day is Down on the Farm. Hey, Busy, you need to be quiet. Okay, here we go. Sun comes up, kids wake up. Down on the farm. Down on the farm. Rooster goes shoo, cock-a-doodle-doo. Down on the farm, down on the farm. Crowd pack straws and caw, caw, caw. Down on the farm, down on the farm. Horses say ah, nah, nah. Down on the farm, down on the farm. And the cows will chew and say moo, moo, moo. Down on the farm, down on the farm. It's time for a lunch. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Down on the farm, down on the farm. Ducks come back and say quack, quack, quack. Down on the farm, down on the farm. Geese go honk, honk, honk. Down on the farm, down on the farm. And the turkey squabble, y'all, they say gobble, gobble, gobble. Down on the farm, down on the farm. Busy, you gobble, gobble, gobble. Dogs on the roof say woof, woof, woof. Down on the farm, down on the farm. Pig snort the oink and say oink, oink, oink. Down on the farm, down on the farm. And the ghost repeat, bleep, bleep, bleep. Down on the farm, down on the farm. And the sheep graze father said bye, bye, bye. Down on the farm, down on the farm. And the chicks won't sleep and say peep, peep, peep. Down on the farm, down on the farm. The cats say pow, then they go meow, meow, meow. Down on the farm, down on the farm. Hold up, the sun goes down. It's quiet down, y'all. You too busy. Good job, everybody. Guess what, Busy? I got an amazing idea, man. What if we dream that we're in an amusement park? Whoa! Busy! Let's have some fun and play some games! Yay! Oh man, what game you wanna play? Whoa! It's a roller coaster! Can we go on the roller coaster? Whoa! It's cool right here! We're in a roller coaster, y'all! We dreamed that we was gonna be in a roller coaster! Hold on! Busy! What's going? Whoa! 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 Real Busy. I'm upside down. Can you help me out? Please? Okay. Whoa! We gotta find Busy! Alright. What? Busy! 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 Can we find Busy? Y'all tell me where he is! Oh! Whoa! Oh! Now we found you! Good job! Whoa! Busy! We're in the clouds! You know what it's time for? It's time for the Bumblebee Song! Yay! Everyone hold their hands like this. Here we go! I'm bringing home my baby Bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm bringing home my baby Bumblebee. Oh, it stung me. What we gonna do next, y'all? We're gonna squish the Bumblebee. I'm squishing up my baby Bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm squishing up my baby Bumblebee. Oh, it's sticky. What we gonna do next, y'all? We're gonna lick the Bumblebee off our hands. I'm licking off my baby Bumblebee. Won't my mommy be so proud of me? I'm licking off my baby Bumblebee. Oh, it's yucky. What we gonna do next, y'all? We're gonna wipe the Bumblebee off our hands. I'm wiping off my baby Bumblebee. Now my mommy be so proud of me. I'm wiping off my baby Bumblebee. Look, no more Bumblebee! Yay! Oh, everybody just calm down.
Three King Visions.